What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Big Tech Unboxing, and today we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, this is how the box came originally. This is the shipping box. So, let's see what the actual iPhone box comes with. And there you have it. So I guess these arrows, okay, I think mine is upside down. But I guess these arrows are like if you push it and then it will come up or something. Yeah, I guess something like that. But this is the actual iPhone box. As you can see, it's very slim because now we don't get the charging brick with it anymore. So this specific model is the iPhone 14 Pro Max Deep Purple 256 gigs. And yeah, so the iPhone 14 Pro Maxes and the 14 Pros come in space black, silver, gold, and deep purple. So 4 colorways. And we had to wait specifically for the 14 Pro Max because I guess they were sold out or on back order. But yeah, we had to wait more for these. And the 14 Pros you could have gotten before. So let's take a look at what's inside. That's a very beautiful purple. Oh, nice. As you can see, no SIM tray. This is not a tray. This is only eSIM activated, and you get the little manual. I'm pretty sure we got stickers in here. Yup, a sticker, and the USB-C to Lightning cable. That's all you get. No brick. And yeah, so let's take a look. Very clean. I think this is their signature color for the year, and a lot of people, you'll see a lot of people with these. The black, silver, and gold come out every year, but they always have like a signature color. And I think one year it was green, and this year it's purple. But yeah, so let's try and boot it up, see if it has some charge to it. Yep. So as that's happening, so these come in the 4 colors. The front is ceramic shield, textured matte glass in the back, stainless steel design. Both the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max come in 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. The specific version we have is the 256. So it weighs 8.47 ounces, which is 240 grams. We have a height from top to bottom, 6.33 inches. So from diagonal, it's 6.7, but from top to bottom, it's 6.33. Yeah, 6.33 inches. Both models come with the dynamic island on the top, as you can see right there. The iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We have optional always-on display. We have ProMotion technology with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hertz. The 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max come with a HDR display, true tone coloring, haptic touch, and 1000 nits max brightness. So yeah, I'll be setting this up later. So this is just for the unboxing. We have water resistance IP68, so a maximum depth of 6 meters for 30 minutes. And then we have the A16 Bionic chip in this specific version. The cameras. We got the main camera at 48 megapixels. We got the ultra wide at 12 megapixels, and we got the telephoto at 12 megapixels. So yeah, this is very, very good for all the photogenic people. You want to stay up to date with the quality of your Instagram and social media pictures. The iPhone is the best. I would agree with that, even though I'm an Android user. The iPhone quality is the best when it comes to Snapchat stories, especially Instagram stories, just regular posts. The camera is amazing. So yeah, we got Face ID, Apple Pay, and emergency SOS. There's crash detection. Let's say you get into a crash, God forbid, while you're driving, your phone will call 911 automatically. And if you are in the US, we got Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon as supporting carriers. It's going to be a little bit more tougher with the international countries due to the eSIM, but I guess we're moving into the future. So yeah, guys, that's it for the unboxing. We should be following up shortly with the review. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions about the phone. If you have any questions about the previous videos we have, just leave them in the comment box and I'll be sure to get back to you. See you guys in the next one.